Welcome to the web application from scratch using Node, Express.js framework, MongoDB, and the React.js. We are building a full stack library management app. In the previous video, we write helper function to send email containing the reset password link. You can check the video in the upper right corner. You can also check the full playlist of the backend APIs using Node Express Mongo in the upper right corner, and also the link of the playlist building frontend UI using the React.js in the upper right corner. And you can also pull the code base from this repository. I will provide the link in the description. The client directory is the for the front end in React.js, and the server directory is the backend APIs. So in today's video, I will write the API for forgot password. So without wasting time, let's get started. I will jump to the VS Code. So you can see the client and the server. The client project is the React project, and the server is the Node Express Mongo project. So we added this helper function send reset password email. So I will use this helper function in the forgot password route. First, I will create a model of the reset password where I will store the token against the user email and also the timestamp when it's created, so that we can validate its expiry. So first I will create the model. I will use the Mongoose package to create schema and the model. Now if I come to the explanation, I used Mongoose package here. Mongoose and it's an object data modeling library for MongoDB and provides a straightforward way to model your application data and interact with the MongoDB database. Next, we define the schema, the reset password schema. The reset password schema defines the structure of the documents data for managing password reset tokens. It includes the field, email, token, timestamp, and the site URL. The schema is then exported as the Mongoose model, named the reset password, allowing you to perform the database operation on a collection name reset password. Next, I will add the controller send forgot password mail, which will send the reset password link to the registered email. So I will add this controller in the auth controller.js. Here I use the bcrypt the library to hash the email. The bcrypt is a library commonly used for hashing password. Here the hash sync is a synchronous function. The hash sync is the synchronous function to hash sync is a synchronous function that generates a hash of the provided data. The second argument 8, which represents the salt rounds, or the cost factor, which determines the complexity of the hash. Higher numbers increases the security but also increase the time required to generate the hash. And in the next line, the math dot random, it generates a random number between 0 and 1. And dot toStrings convert the random number to the base 36 representation using the alphanumeric characters A to Z and 0 to 9. The substring 7, which basically takes a substring of length 7, effectively creating a 7 characters random string. Next, it's the math dot random. These things gets the current timestamp in seconds. A new date dot get time. It's the current timestamp in milliseconds, and by dividing 1000, I am converting it to the seconds. So basically, the entire expression concatenates the random string in current timestamp and a hash email to create a unique token for the password reset process. This token is likely used to authenticate and verify the user's identity during the password reset flow. Here I will perform the update and insert operation. See, if the email exists, it will update the token, and if it's not exist, it will insert the token in the reset password document. Here I am finding the user by providing the email, by querying the email. If it's present, if the user present sends a reset password email. Uh, Here you can see send reset password. I am providing the token, username and the email and the site URI. Next, we have the updates plus insert. This query basically the updates. Basically the upsert creates if not exist, otherwise update a document based on the email. It sets the fields email token site URL and the timestamps with the corresponding values. And here you can see the upsert flag is true. Now I will create the route /forgot password. Here the forgot password route, I want to add the middleware, check the username or the email exists or not before sending the email, before calling the send forgot password mail controller. So I will add this validation middleware in the validation middleware.js. Now as the middleware is present, so we don't need to check this the if user or the user found or not. It's already checked in this middleware. And we can also do one thing, we can store the user here in the request, so we don't need to query again. And in the route file, I'll use this user to get the username. Here I can comment this and also this. Now check if the server is running or not. Here we have a error. Here if you see here, this is the model, it's the small model one, this one. Now you can see the server started and it's MongoDB also connected. Now I will test the API, the forgot password API using the Postman. First I will check what user we have from the MongoDB compass. Our database is the library, and here we have the user. So we have this user. We'll try with this. Let's open the Postman. So the forgot password, it's the URL is the 3001/auth/forgot password, and the payload it's taking the username and the email. So we have this username des195 and the email des195malik@gmail.com. First I will check by providing the wrong username, whether it's failed username not exist. It's getting it, the error is originating from this middleware. Next I will check the mail, and you will say the failed email not exist, it is the bad request. And next I will provide the correct credential, and see it's sending the email to my email address. So here is my email inbox. You can see there is 195 malik@gmail.com. Now I will send, and you can see it's message the reset password link sent to the registered email successfully. Now I will check the inbox, and you can see it's just now the password reset email from the My Library app, and you can see the body. Dear the username, welcome to My Library app. Please click the link button where we designed this button, and also the link which contains the our front end endpoint and slash reset password and the token here, and the link will be valid for the 10 minutes. This so it's working fine, the password reset email. In the next I will add the route for the reset password where the user will provide the token. Token will be in the URL, so the token will be passed to the backend so that we can validate the token, and we can check also the expiry, and if the token is valid, then it will provide its password, the new password which he wants to reset. If I see the reset password, so you can see the token is stored and the timestamp is stored against the email. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we'll see the reset password or the reset password route where the user will change his password by providing the token. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel, and please share this video. We will meet in the next video. And in the upcoming video, I also integrate these APIs in the React frontend. So keep watching. Thank you.